Oscar is, I think Daddy's Oscar. Or Bert. I think you're Bert. Bert is grouchy. You and I are Bert and Ernie, honey. I'm Ernie and you're Bert. I'm the fat happy one, and you're the skinny grouchy one.
I'm right. I'm hungry. Because I want cookies.
Big Evan is Cookie Monster.
Oh, you Cookie Monster? Okay.
What, yeah?
What, yeah?
Oh, what, yeah. Just a leaf, honey. It's not going to hurt anybody. Wow.
Evan, why are you playing in the rain?
Because the rain is fun, silly.
Evan.
This is amazing. It is raining for a week. This is crazy.
It was nice Thursday.
Well, yeah, that's true. I was working that day.
Mom, look!
In New York, it was cold and overcast on Thursday.
What?
In the afternoon, we got a little bit of sun, but
Look, I stepped in.
look at that. That's why you have boots. Thank goodness you have boots on. Otherwise, your feet would be so wet right now. Wow.
Oh, no. Evan, can you sneeze that umbrella out? Do it.
No, let him play in the rain. Let him do sneezing later.
Okay.